Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. The Supreme Court has stayed the University Grants Commission's new regulations, the Promotion of Equity in Higher Education Institutions Regulations 2026, amid widespread controversy. The Chief Justice of India has directed Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to consider forming a committee of eminent persons in order to examine the matter so that society can progress together without creating any unnecessary divisions. The UGC's new regulations aimed at establishing a structured framework for grievance, redressal and supporting disadvantaged groups in universities and colleges have sparked significant debate. Critics argue that the regulations are one-sided and discriminatory towards general category students. Petitions challenging the regulations have been filed by Advocate Vineet Jindal, Mrityunjay Tiwari and Rahul Devan, and the matter is currently under hearing in the Supreme Court. According to the new rules, every higher education institution is required to establish an equal opportunity center, and all these centers are to coordinate with civil society groups, local authorities, faculty staff, the media and district administration, including the police, in order to facilitate grievance redressal and support for disadvantaged groups. The Equal Opportunity Centers will also work with district and state legal services authorities in order to provide legal aid where necessary. The composition of all these centers, as stipulated in the regulations, includes representatives from other backward classes, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, persons with disabilities, and women. Well, all these centers will be responsible for implementing equity-related policies and programs, providing academic and financial guidance to disadvantaged groups, and liaising with relevant authorities and civil society organizations. Despite the stated intentions, the regulations have generated strong backlash, particularly on social media, over the way caste-based discrimination is defined. Notably, the UGC regulations define caste-based discrimination as discrimination only on the basis of caste or tribe against members of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes. Many netizens have expressed outrage, claiming that the rules unfairly target general category students and brand them as potential perpetrators of campus violence solely because they belong to non-reserved categories. Hashtags like "Shame on UGC" have trended on platforms such as X, reflecting widespread criticism that the regulations are discriminatory and could turn educational institutions into battlegrounds along caste lines. Supporters of the regulations argue that the framework is necessary in order to address long-standing inequalities and provide structured support to marginalized groups. Critics, however, warn that the measures as currently worded risk creating social divisions, biased grievance mechanisms, and a lack of protection for general category students against false claims. The Supreme Court's intervention and the potential formation of a high-level committee are now seen as a critical step to resolve the controversy and ensure that higher education remains inclusive, fair and free from conflict. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.